Welcome to this release notes overview for Cove Data Protection version 25.7. In this video, we'll cover the key updates and enhancements delivered in our July release. However, before we see what's new, let's start with our early access recruitment for Google Workspace Protection. We're excited to announce that backup and recovery for Google Workspace is coming to Cove Data Protection. Partners and customers are invited to join our limited preview and help shape this new feature. Click on the link in the release notes found at status.in-able.com to sign up for the limited preview. So, now on to what's new in Cove 25.7. We'll cover the UX improvements to the user management interface. We'll look at Microsoft 365 backup performance and reliability improvements. We'll see key bug fixes that were introduced to improve recovery services and enhancements made to the local backup agent. First, user management. We've significantly improved the design of the user management interface by streamlining the navigation with fewer clicks, providing clearer role-based management, and advanced search and filtering options to search for and locate users. On the Microsoft 365 front, SharePoint backups are now up to 50 times faster using our Delta query technology. This is going to reduce throttling and resource usage. Backups now continue even if there are permission issues during the SharePoint backup run, ensuring more complete backups. And the historical tenants and data sources that are identified as having no content or without content are no longer processed, speeding up the overall backup queue. For continuity, we've listened to our customer feedback and focused this release on tackling several key critical issues that make recovery services more robust and dependable. Here's what we've addressed. Recovery testing. First, we fixed a nagging timeout issue where dual boot devices failed to boot and instead displayed a choose an operating system screen during the recovery test. Now restore should proceed smoothly without this interruption, making your testing process more reliable. ESXi restores. For those of you using VMware, we resolved restore failures showing the error virtual machine has already been deleted or has not been completely created. This means your restores will now be more consistent and less prone to disruption. For standby image to Azure, large backup repository failures were addressed in this release. We would see errors such as live backup register get all node slices fails. This previously caused issues when restoring machines with large backup repositories to Azure. With this resolved, you can expect more reliable cloud recoveries, even for large and complex environments. Now, each of these fixes targeted pain points reported by users. We've been aiming to reduce downtime, make recoveries more smoother, so that business continuity is never in doubt. We will continue to monitor and address customer, system, and user-based issues, as well as look at feedback from partners. For the backup agent, we improved Linux system state recovery with a new progress bar showing time remaining and percentage completed during the backup restore process. Ongoing work has been introduced to support FIPS, FIPS compliance or FIPS 140.3 compliance by introducing updates to OpenSSL 3, SQLite, and the VMware VDDK libraries. Note, as we announced last month, VMware ESXi 6.5 and earlier are not supported as of this update. So let's wrap it up. That's all for Cove 25.7. Stay up to date by subscribing to the release notes at status.in-able.com for the latest information and update. Thanks, and have a great day.